We're going to be demonstrating the ExaScan HandyScan, which is a 3D laser scanner. And this is an object that we use to capture data from real life into a digital format and convert it into a file that can be used on a computer or printed as a 3D file. First thing we're going to do is apply positioning dots or targets to this object. We're going to scan this chair here. The laser will use these targets to acquire the position in space of the object, and then it'll capture that and turn it into digital data in the computer. Now that we have the positioning targets applied to the chair, what we're going to do is actually start scanning the object. Okay, this is another example of a part that we've scanned. It's a chair leg, and again, I've gotten the targeting dots on there, scanned the part, created the geometry, and on the computer you can see it's got a lot of background noise that it's also scanned. And what we'll do is we go in there and we clean up that information, get rid of all the background noise, close up all the holes in the geometry with some of the scanning software that we've also purchased with the scanner. Okay, this is the layout after the file's been mostly cleaned up. It's opened up now in a software called Polyworks, and you can see that if you look real closely, these are all triangles, triangulated mesh that's been cleaned up and patched. The software has a lot of tools that can go in and actually close up holes in the geometry, and it makes the post-scan a much more efficient method. Now this part is actually an STL file that once I completely clean up the geometry, we can take and print on one of our rapid prototyping machines.